How to insert hyperlink in Word document. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel and today we are back again with a new video. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly open Microsoft Word, create a blank document. After that, from the ribbon at the top, simply go to Insert and there you will see the option of Link. Simply click on it and the File Explorer prompt will open. You simply need to choose the link which you want to include in your document. After that, to format it, you can simply see a lot of options. Choose the position of the link where you want to include it in your document and click on OK. So that's it. Just like that, you will be able to insert hyperlink in your Word document. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.